Hi, Dr. Matthews.
Hello. I don't have office hours right now. Did you schedule a meeting with me?
No. I have a question about a problem on the exam. I wrote the equilibrium expression correctly and got the answer wrong. I'm not sure why. I know the answer is 37.8958438 and the sig figs are correct. Why did you mark me wrong?
Well, it says you wrote K equilibrium equals reactants over products. It is the opposite. It's products over reactants.
No. No, no, no. It is reactants over products. I know this is a fact. You have this all wrong. This is ridiculous. What have I done?
Damn, she did.
Yeah, it's such a tough one this week. I can't believe Wednesday students hate their teachers so much.
Man, school sucks, huh?
Yeah.
What can we do? Let's look for some,
Evidence?
Yeah.
Looks the cat lady.
Yeah, this seems interesting. That could help us. The cats, they have hair, you know?
It's true, it's true.
There's some hair over here. Could be useful. She dead? Yeah, she dead. Oh well. Let's head out.
Yeah, so it seems pretty clear that this was homicide.
Yeah, there's no signs of forced entry or anything stolen. Someone definitely wanted her dead.
Yeah, man, exactly. She also seems to have some red marks on her neck. I don't know if you noticed. She clearly got choked out.
Right. Damn. It's a cold, heartless world out there, isn't it?
Yeah. You know, choking someone out leads to hypercapnia. Really serious, man. The level of carbon dioxide builds in your body since you can't breathe it out, and it becomes so toxic. Not to mention that you can't take in oxygen anymore. So hypercapnia alone causes damage to your internal organs, like your lungs, your kidney, the liver, and the heart.
Whoa, wait a second. You telling me that we need those things, right? Because we need those to live.
Right. If they don't work right, you die.
Damn.
Yeah, messed up. Aside from starving your organs of oxygen, you also throw off your buffer system. You drastically increase the concentration of CO2 in your body. And this affects your buffer system, right? You want your blood to be neutral, but now you have all the CO2, causes an increase in acid, causes acute acidosis, and lowers the pH of your blood, and also damaging your organs very much.
That's crazy, because the only buffering I've ever heard about is when I watch those videos on YouTube, you know?
Right. Alright, so how are we going to catch this perpetrator?
Well, we did find some DNA from the crime scene, right?
Of course, yeah, we found some hair on the chair, right? What are we going to do with it?
Well, hair does contain DNA, right? You should know that.
Yeah, that's what they use on Maury, right, to tell you who the father of the child is?
Yeah, trust me. I've had some first-hand experience with that.
Alright, so we have this trace DNA now. What are we going to do to help us find the killer?
Well, we used proper DNA acquisition techniques for this DNA, so we hope to see if this is pure. With that in mind, we might be able to catch a criminal.
Right, so then once we have the DNA and we figure out what it is, we can try to match it to the actual killer, correct?
Exactly. Let's go to the lab and see what we can do.
Off to the lab we go.
It's not too bad. Another busy day in the lab, you know?
Yeah.
Another kill. What can you do?
So we have this DNA over here that we're trying to extract.
Right.
Let's do that today.
Yeah, let's do that.
Try to figure out why people are still in professors of it.
Yeah. I wonder why this chem professor got the axe, you know?
I'm wondering the same thing. Maybe we can find out. So
She looks a little odd.
perhaps.
Yeah, perhaps, yeah.
How's it looking?
It's looking nice. Looks like something I drank last night.
Did you get some DNA out of that?
Yeah, I see something.
Okay, cool. Let's run some gels.
Do it. So, we just got back from the lab. What was the experiment we just performed? That's called gel electrophoresis, right?
No, that's a common misconception. Crime scene investigators nowadays, they more commonly use PCR fluorescence inspection. It's a lot cheaper and more efficient than gel electrophoresis to try to catch a criminal.
Damn, that sounds really complicated. What is that?
It's not that bad. So what you do is you take a DNA primer, right? It's a sequence of DNA that you know what it is, and you try to add it to another person's DNA. If these sequences are complementary, then our primer binds to someone's DNA, right?
Right.
Then you perform something called PCR,
Right.
which is polymerase chain reaction.
Right.
So if this primer binds to DNA, it allows us to amplify it to make many copies of this DNA, right?
Exactly.
So this PCR, when this reaction goes to completion, the product, we're able to see that because of fluorescence, right? So for each individual person, we're going to have a different specific product.
Oh,
right?
I see. So basically, we're going to get a pretty picture on the computer.
Exactly, right? But now we can compare that picture for each individual suspect to see who did the crime.
Nice. So the results are in. Let's go see what we got.
Let's go to the drawing board.
Let's do it. Damn, this picture looks better than my last girlfriend.
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
We got some good data here. Let's figure out who our suspects are now. Alright, first off, here's the first suspect. We have Edwin Yolo David.
This guy certainly seems like a cold-faced killer.
Yeah, then next we have Nasty Nasman.
Nasman is she's an innocent-looking girl, but always remember, the looks can be deceiving.
Exactly. Next, we have Taz. Don't Taz me, bro. Ahmed.
I don't see him as a criminal for this case, but I definitely think we should have the pedophile unit check up on him.
I agree. And finally, we have these two fools over here. We have Nino Pepperoni Papali and Ryan Whiteboy Smith. What do you think about these guys?
They seem like a good couple to work with, but they should be arrested for being too sexy.
That's a possibility. Alright, so I think we know who are criminals, right? Let's go catch this fool.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Alright, man, we got an anonymous tip that our killer Nasty Nasman is on the premises.
If we catch her, our job is over. I see her.
She's in there. Freeze!
Nasty Naz, we got you, freeze.
You are under arrest for the murder of Dr. Matthews. You're going away for a long time. Good job, partner.
Yeah.
In this particular case, I'd like to award these two the Nobel Peace Prize for catching the Wayne State Killer. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We got her!
Yeah.
We got her! Yeah. We got her!
How about you, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Well
so
done.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.